Now we discuss exercise 11.1. The first question is, in a right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeters, 15 centimeters and 17 centimeters are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find out sin A, cos A and tan A. This is the first question from exercise 11.1. Now in a right angle triangle, first we draw right angle triangle ABC. Now first of all we draw right angle triangle ABC. So A, B, C. How to denote the sides of triangle? The given measurements 8, 15, 17. So which is the longest side hypotenuse? So which is the greatest measurement is given to be 17 centimeters. Now that is called hypotenuse. Now first we have to find that 17 centimeters. So AC, that is CA, 17 centimeters. That is 17 centimeters. Now the next one is given to be AB is 8 centimeters. That is 8 centimeters. BC is given to be how much? 15 centimeters. Clear? Now you have to find that sin A, cos A and tan A. Clear? Sin A. The first one we have to find that sin A. Sin A. So what is the definition of sin A? Opposite side to angle A. That is opposite side to angle A. So that is indication. So opposite side to angle A. Clear? That is the length is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. The definition of sin A. Opposite side to angle A whole by hypotenuse. So that means opposite side to angle A length is BC. Clear? Hypotenuse is AC. We can write BC by AC. That is BC by AC. BC is given to be how much? 15 centimeters by hypotenuse is 17 centimeters. Clear? So that is always less than 1. The next one you have to find that cos A. The next one is cos A. That is acute angle at A. That is cos A. Definition is adjacent side to angle A whole by hypotenuse. Clear? That is AB by AC. AB by AC. AB's measurement is given to be 8 by AC is 17. Clear all of you? Now the next one you have to find that tan A. So the definition of tan A equals to acute angle is A. Opposite side to angle A whole by adjacent side to angle A. Now we can write BC by AB. Now BC is how much? 15 by AB is given to be 8. Clear? That is. Now we know that sin A and cos A. Then you have to find that tan A. Another ratio is given. Another ratio is known. So alternate, you have to find that tan A. How? Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Clear? Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. That is equal, sin A is how much? 15 by 17. Whole by cos A is 8 by 17. That is equal 15 by 17 into. Now its reciprocal is 17 by 8. Now 17 is cancelled. It will be 15 by 8. Now this value is the same. That means tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. Clear, all of you? This is the first question from exercise 11.1. Once check the solution part. Okay. Okay, now we have to find that the next question. That means second question from exercise 11.1. Now the next question, second question. What is the second question from exercise 11.1? The sides of a right angle triangle PQR, in which PQ equals to 7 centimeters, QR equals to 25 centimeters, and angle P equals to 90 degrees respectively. Then find tan Q minus tan R. Okay. Now we have to draw the right angle triangle. Right angle at P is given. The first of all, that is right angle at P, QR. You can write either QRR or QR as your wish. PQR. Clear? So what are the measurements are given? PQ is given to be 7 centimeters. PQ is 7 centimeters. PQ is 7 centimeters. The next one is given to be QR is 25 centimeters. Now you have to find that PR. Clear? Why? Because you have to find that tan Q. Tan Q means, what is the definition of tan Q? Opposite side to angle Q whole by adjacent side to angle Q. That means opposite side is PR. PR is not given. Now we have to find that PR. How? According to Pythagorean theorem. Okay. So how to find that according to Pythagorean theorem? Already I told, we know that QR square according to Pythagorean theorem, QR square equals to QP square or PQ square, anyone, PQ square plus PR square. Now QR is given to be 25. The replace QR, 25 square equals to PQ is 7 square plus PR is not given. Now 25 square is 625 equals to 7 square is 49 plus PR square. Now 49 transfers to LHS. It will be 625 minus 49. It will be equals to PR square. Now 625 minus 49. That means 15 minus 9 is 6, 7, 5 equals to PR square. So PR square is 576. PR equals to root over 576. It will be, the square root of 576 is 24 centimeters. So it will be how much? 24 centimeters. PR is 24 centimeters. Now, according to the given question, you have to find that tan q. First of all, tan q. After that, tan r. So, after that, tan q minus tan r. That's very simple. First of all, you have to find the tan q. Now, you have to find that tan q. So, what is the definition of tan q? Opposite side to angle q whole by adjacent side to angle q. So, that is q, angle q. Opposite side to angle q, it will be how much? PR. It is denoted by the side PR. PR value is 24. That means PR by opposite side to angle Q is PR by adjacent side to angle Q. It will be PQ. That is equal, PR is 24 by PQ is 7. Clear. The next one you have to find that. Another one is tan R. Tan R. So R. Clear. So what is the definition of tan R? Opposite side to angle R whole by adjacent side to angle R. That means PQ by PR. Now PQ is how much? 7 by PR is how much? 24. Clear? So once again, tan Q. Tan Q means opposite side to angle Q whole by adjacent side to angle Q. The next one, tan R. Tan R means opposite side to angle R whole by adjacent side to angle R. Now, you have to find that tan Q minus tan R. Tan Q minus tan R. So, tan, therefore, tan Q minus tan R. Tan Q value is 24 by 7. The sign is minus 7 by 24. Clear? Now, these are unlike fractions. By cross multiplication, 24 into 24, 576. The sign is minus 7 sevens are 49 whole by 7 into 24. 7 fours are 28. 7 twos are 14 plus 2 16. 576 minus 49. 16 minus 9 is 527 whole by 168. Clear? Tan Q minus tan R value is 527 by 168. So, check the answer once again. Okay, the next we are going to the third question from exercise 11.1. Now the third question is, in a right angle triangle ABC with right angled at B, in which small letter a equals to 24 units, small letter b equals to 25 units, and angle BAC equals to theta. Then find cos theta and tan theta. Okay. Now we are going to solution part. Right angle triangle ABC, right angle let B. First we draw the right angle triangle. Right angle at B. Clear? Right angle at B according to given data. So angle BAC equals to theta. We can write either A or C, anyone. For example, A, now then it is C. BAC. Angle BAC is given to be theta. So we mark the angle BAC equals to theta. BAC. So according to in a right angled triangle, right triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degrees, angle BAC equals to theta. Angle BAC equals to theta. That means angle BAC equals to theta. Clear? Another measurement is given to be small letter a equals to 24 units. Small letter a equals to 24 units. The next one, small letter b equals to how much? 25 units. 25 units. That means small letter a, according to properties of triangles, that let it be, this is one of the triangle A, B, C. Clear? Now then it is angle A, angle B, angle C. So what is the opposite side to angle A? Angle A, BC. Opposite side to angle A is BC. So that is denoted by A. What is the opposite side to angle B? AC. That is denoted by B. So what is the opposite side to angle C? AB. We can denote that is C. Clear all of you? Now similarly, A, small letter A equals to 24. Which one? BC. Clear? That is value is how much? 24 units. That is RK. Clear? B indicates AC. That is 25K. That means K means units. Clear? Now we know that hypotenuse and one of the side is known. Then which one is find cos theta and tan theta. So theta, cos theta means, what is the definition of cos theta? Theta indicates at angle A. That means cos theta means adjacent side to theta whole by hypotenuse. We know that hypotenuse is known, but adjacent side to theta is not known. Now we have to find that AB. How? According to Pythagorean theorem. How? So Pythagorean theorem is hypotenuse square equals to side square plus side square. Now hypotenuse square is AC square. AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. Now AC square is 25K square, K whole square equals to AB is not given. Now we can write AB square plus BC is given to be 24k whole square. Now 25 square is 625k square. That is equal AB square plus 24 square is 576k square. Now 625k square, this value transfers to left hand side. It will be minus 576k square equals to AB square. So 625 square minus 576 square, it will be, k square will be how much? 49k square equals to AB square. Clear? Now taking on square roots on both sides. 49k square equals to the square root of AB square. Now these are can be written as 49 can be written as 7k whole square equals to square is cancelled. Whole base. Square is cancelled. Therefore, AB equals to how much? 7k. Now this value is 7k. That means 7 units. Clear? Now, you have to find that cos theta. Clear? Cos theta. So now cos theta equals to adjacent side to theta. Adjacent side to theta. That means AB whole by hypotenuse. Adjacent side to theta whole by hypotenuse. That is cos theta. That means AB by AC. We can write AB by AC. Now AB equals to how much? 7k. Whole by AC is how much? 25k. Now k is cancelled. It will be 7 by 25. The next one you have to find that tan theta. Now tan theta equals to, so what is the definition of tan theta? Opposite side to theta whole by adjacent side to theta. So opposite side to theta indicates BC. Adjacent side to theta indicates AB. Now cos theta can be written as BC by AB. Now BC by AB. Now BC indicates 24k. Whole by adjacent side is how much? 7k. That is k is cancelled. It will be 24 by 7. So now you have to find that cos theta and tan theta. Similarly, anyone, cosecant, tan, cot, anyone according to Pythagorean ratios or Pythagorean identities or trigonometric ratios, anyone. Okay. So once check the board. Okay. Dear viewers, please subscribe my channel. Thanking you one and all. Have a nice day.